Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. It is actually my very first advent calendar unboxing on my channel. I did a bunch of these last year and you guys loved them and I love them too. I just think they're so much fun, and I actually have today a very exciting advent calendar. I picked this up today. It is the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar. If you guys missed it, I did this last year and I think it was like my most popular one out of all the advent calendar unboxings I did, and I love doing the Trader Joe's one. It is just so much fun. I think they just put this out because I went today and I saw it and I snatched it up, and also I was trying not to look at the sample they had, which shows you what's inside. I saw one thing and I was like, oh, I don't want to see it, I don't want to see it, because I want everything to be a surprise. Like, I don't want a sneak peek. So I am gonna break into this. We're gonna open every single day, of course. So if you want to find out what is inside the Trader Joe's 2022 holiday advent calendar, then keep watching. Okay, so just so you guys know, this calendar retails for $19.99 at Trader Joe's locations. It does seem to sell out pretty quickly, so if you want one, I would try and snag it this month before it goes out of stock, and everything is usually like a mini size and usually limited edition. So let's start out with day one, which is right here. And day one, we have this Eucalyptus Lemon Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. I believe last year it was grapefruit, and I'm actually more happy this year with Eucalyptus Lemon because I did not like the grapefruit scent. So I'm gonna just pop this open and see what it smells like. Ooh, these are great, like these little mini hand creams for the car or your bag. Ooh, it's very creamy and feels super nice. It is like a really interesting scent. I smell both the eucalyptus and the lemon, so they did a good job on the fragrance. And it seems to sink into the skin really well, and it's moisturizing my cuticles nicely too. So this is great. I will definitely keep this little guy in my bag. I needed a mini hand cream. Moving on to number two, which is right here. And this is so fun. It is a mini Trader Joe's daily face sunscreen. I actually do have, I think I have one of their sunscreens. This is the, I don't know if this was last year, the Trader Joe's Enrich Moisturizing Face Lotion SPF 15. I don't know if I got this in last year's calendar, but I feel like I did. So this one is bigger. This one from last year is 1 fluid ounces, and this one, this has SPF 40, so it's a higher SPF. This is 0.4 fluid ounces. So I'm excited to try this out. I am a huge face sunscreen junkie. I try and put my SPF on every single day because I'm trying to protect my face so I can thank myself, you know, later on in life. So this is a chemical sunscreen, not a physical sunscreen, because it has avobenzone. I am more of a physical sunscreen lover, so chemicals not my favorite, but it really depends on your skin type. But anyways, there is that, the second day. Nice that they did give an SPF. Okay, moving on to number three, which is here. What do we have? Another hand cream, you guys. I did not expect two hand creams. This is cranberry orange, same type of like tin tube. And let's see what this smells like, even though I did put the other hand cream on, so I don't know how, you know, how well I'm gonna smell this. Now my hand is a little bit moisturized, I couldn't open it. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this one's nice. I'm not always like the biggest lover of a citrus scent, but this is refreshing. I do, I guess, kind of wish, if I'm being picky, that maybe it would be more of a holiday scent. Like, I would have loved to see maybe like a peppermint hand cream. I think that would have been really cool. But I do appreciate this scent because I do think it is unique. Like a cranberry orange, you usually don't see that. So I do appreciate the different scent. Okay, then let's move on to 4. I'm just trying to find it. Okay, 4 is a big one, so some of the slots are bigger. So right here on the bottom, so number 4 looks like a sheet mask or face mask. I think they had one last year as well. This is the Trader Joe's Oil Absorbing Clay Mask. And by the way, if you want to go watch last year's to compare the two, I definitely recommend doing that. I will link the video down below so you can watch it after this one. So this says you can apply an even layer to clean skin and rinse it off with warm water. So this is cool. I definitely will try this. I've never tried any sort of face mask before from TJ's 5, which is this long guy right here. Showing you guys first before I look. Ooh, this is a good one. This is definitely new. They did not have this last year. It's a hair detangler. That's really fun. It says spray on wet or towel dried hair, comb through and style. Perfect for daily use. Use on dry hair for hydration, shine, or to control flyaways. So I like that you can use it both wet or dry. So let's see what this smells like. This is really cute. I love these types of products. I will definitely use this when I get out of the shower because sometimes my hair can be a little bit tangly. It doesn't really have a scent that I can really detect, which is totally fine. It seems like a really nice, like thicker kind of consistency. So there we have it. That's a cool one. I like that they have a hair product. Then let's move on to 6, which is like a small guy over here. I really hope, I just have to make this note, that they have the toasted marshmallow this year. At least I hope they have it in a full size because that was my favorite. It was the little toasted marshmallow body butter. Oh my gosh, one of my favorite scents ever, and it was only in the advent calendar. So I hope they brought it back, but I don't know if they're gonna like change the scent. So this is like a little, looks like maybe a lip scrub. Yes, it is the Trader Joe's brown sugar lip scrub. It almost kind of looks like homemade. Like I've made these lip scrubs before and it looks like one that I have made. I love lip scrubs. I am like a I can't say it, you guys. I give up. I am a lip scrub junkie, okay? I used one today and I love them. So this looks like it could be good. I mean, I'm gonna have to test this out. I have lip stuff on right now or else I would try it out, but next time I need to scrub my lips. Ooh, you guys, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells like you're baking cookies. I love it. So we'll see how this does. And here's what the packaging looks like so you guys can see. That was 6. Now we move on to 7, which is right here. I see the little container for the body butter, you guys. Is a candy cane body butter, which honestly sounds really good. Like I'm a little sad right now because I'm missing my toasted marshmallow, but hopefully the candy cane is good. So let's open this guy up. I love the body butter. If you guys have the OG one that they always have, which is the just coconut oil one, it is so nice and moisturizing to use after a shower. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so delicious. It smells like a candy cane creamsicle or something like that, like, or like a hot chocolate but just like sweeter. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I'm gonna put some on my arm. I do hope they have this in a full size because I would buy the full size. That's what they should do. Like they should have whatever is a mini, they should have it in a full size so you could purchase it for limited edition during the holidays. Oh my gosh, it smells heavenly. I cannot wait to use this for like a holiday bath time routine and just put this on after. So yummy. Okay, so that's the candy cane body butter, which I think is my favorite so far out of everything that I've opened. So we're gonna move on to 8, which is right here. This is so fun. This is why I love doing these. It's like a fun surprise. Okay, so this, ooh, this is so fun. I've been wanting to try one of these. It's a eucalyptus shower steamer. So if you guys have never seen these before, basically you put on your shower and probably like more warm setting, you put this on the bottom of the shower and it kind of like makes your shower just smell amazing and fresh because it has the eucalyptus in it, and it just makes it more like a spa like shower experience. So this is also great if you can't use bath bombs. This is a great option. It's a little hard for me to smell it right now. I feel like it's one of those things that gets activated when you're like in the shower. But I'm excited to try that out on my next shower. So that's really fun. And then we have number 9. Number 9. Oh, this is the one they had last year. This was like my least favorite. It's the exfoliating sugar cube. I don't love this. It's like kind of dinky and it looks like something I want to eat, honestly. But it's really, I guess, to exfoliate your body in the shower. So to me, this is just like kind of like one of the throwaway items. So womp womp. 10, right? 10? Where are you? Number 10 is a kombucha rose oil cleansing oil. That's so fun. I use cleansing oils pretty much every time I wear makeup to get off the first layer of makeup, and then I go in with another cleanser. So if you like double cleansing, this seems like a really nice option, and it's just like a cute little size. You could definitely, I would have really loved to like travel with this because it's hard to find travel size cleansing oils. So this is nice. It's 0.33 fluid ounces. Super fun. I'm excited to try that and test it out. And then we are at 11. You guys, we're nearing the end. 11 is another like large slot. This is something new. Okay, it is rose bath salts with rose petals. That's really interesting. It smells really nice. Like, I'm not really a big rose person, honestly. I just find it to be a little too flowery and fragrant. Some people like it. I just like things that are sweeter. But this would be nice to like throw into a little goodie bag for someone. So it's pretty big, you know, compared to like that sugar cube thing. So it's 2.5 ounces. And then we move on to the last day on the calendar, which is 12. So sad, it's the last item. I wish it would be 25 days. Okay, so the last item, you guys, oh my gosh. Okay, this is exciting. It's the Marshmallow Moisturizing Lip Balm. Okay, they took the marshmallow and they put it into lip balm form, which I am not mad about. Like, I love marshmallow and I love lip balm, so this is exciting for me. So let's see what it smells like. Smells really nice. Again, I have like lipstick on, so I can't put it on right now, but I'll just put a little on my wrist. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. It smells a lot like the body butter. Okay, now what they need to do is they need to come out with a set, like a duo pack of the marshmallow lip balm and the body butter, like full size, and I would buy like 3 of them because I love this scent. So this is awesome. I'm so excited that the last item was something marshmallow because you guys know that was like my favorite, like I was just talking about. So overall, you guys, that was the end. That was the whole Trader Joe's advent calendar. I put everything back in its spot because I'm gonna go ahead and also do an unboxing on TikTok so I can just have like a little short form version of this video. But this was so fun. I think they did a really nice job on the calendar. The only thing I probably would have switched would be maybe do one hand cream and do something else. Like in place of the second hand cream. It really could be anything, like just do something creative, honestly, because they have other items as well, like other beauty items that they could have did. And then my other thought would be to just get rid of that sugar cube thing because it's just kind of like a throwaway, and I feel like they could have did something better. It just like seems a little cheesy. But again, advent calendars are always like little small things. It's honestly just for fun, but I like seeing what scents they do. And I just always find this calendar to be really interesting because Trader Joe's, like, they always have like little niche beauty things. So there we have it, you guys. Go to your Trader Joe's and pick this up if you're interested in what I open, and also you can maybe gift it to a friend. That would be really fun. So I had so much fun opening this. I hope you guys did as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will have a lot more advent calendars to open with you guys this holiday season. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment down below what you guys thought of this advent calendar, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.